In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save image in GIMP as PNG. Before we export, take a moment to finish editing your image and make sure you're happy with the result. Zoom in, check edges, colors, and any text or effects you've added. It's a good habit to review everything now so you don't need to re-export later. When you're ready, move to the top menu and choose File, then Export As. This is important. In modern versions of GIMP, Save or Save As is only for GIMP's project format, the .xef file. That's great for keeping your layers and editing history, but it won't give you a shareable image. To create a PNG you can use online or send to others, you must use Export. In the export dialog that appears, type a name for your file. At the end of the name, add .png. For example, you might call it finished design.png. Adding .png tells GIMP exactly which format you want. You can also choose where to save it by picking a folder you'll remember, like your Pictures folder or a specific project folder. When the name and location look good, click Export. A PNG options window may appear. The default settings work well for most cases. If you're not sure, you can leave everything as is and click Export again to finish. If you want a smaller file size, you can adjust the compression level here. Higher compression usually means a smaller file, and while it might take a little longer to export, image quality will stay the same because PNG compression is lossless. There's an extra tip if you're working with transparency. If you want a clear background in your PNG, make sure your image has an alpha channel and that the background is removed before exporting. The alpha channel is what stores transparency information, so without it, your background will come out solid instead of transparent. If you've already cleared the background and your design shows a checkerboard pattern where it's transparent, you're set. Your PNG will preserve that transparency when you export. Once the export completes, you'll have a crisp PNG file ready to use on websites, in presentations, or for sharing. Remember, you can also keep a separate .xef version if you think you might need to make changes later. That way, you preserve all your layers and can export a fresh PNG anytime. That's it. Simple, reliable, and fast. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your PNGs in GIMP.